Hello everyone and welcome to today's session where we will be discussing ChatGPT, a cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? Simply put, ChatGPT is an advanced artificial intelligence model trained to generate human-like text. It has been trained on a massive amount of data, allowing it to generate coherent and informative responses to a wide variety of questions and prompts. One of the key strengths of ChatGPT is its ability to generate contextually relevant responses. It uses a transformer-based architecture and has been fine-tuned on a large corpus of conversational data, which gives it a deep understanding of the relationships between words and phrases. ChatGPT can be used in a number of different applications, including conversational agents, content creation, and language translation, to name a few. It has been designed to be highly flexible and can be adapted to suit the specific needs of various use cases. In addition to its flexibility, ChatGPT is also incredibly fast. It uses parallel processing to generate responses in real time, allowing for seamless, human-like interactions. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful and versatile language model that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with AI. With its advanced capabilities, it has the potential to transform a wide range of industries and applications, and we can't wait to see what new and innovative uses for ChatGPT will emerge in the future. Thank you for listening to this brief overview of ChatGPT. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please don't hesitate to reach out.